Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your data in Google Maps. Once you're inside your Google Maps account, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click in your data in Maps. Now from here you want to scroll down to where you'll have the option that you will be able to download your data, and it says download your map data. You can tap on that and you can easily choose the data that you want to download. So you can deselect or select the ones that you want from here by simple unchecking the ones that you don't want, but you can go ahead and you can select all of them as well. Then from here you want to go ahead and click on next, and you can choose how you want to receive it. So this can be in your email. As you can see, download link via email. You can choose to have it on your drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or even to box. So let's leave it as email link, and then once you do that, you can just basically choose how you want to export that can be export every 2 months, for a year, or you can just basically say export once. Choose how you want that can also be by a zip file or a tgz file, right? And of course the size is there as well. Then you basically go ahead and click and create an export. That's going to create an export, and it will send you an email with that link. And once you receive the email, as you can see here, I received the email. That's going to basically allow me to be able to download that file, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.